Hello everyone, welcome to step number 3 for the LangChain RAG application in JavaScript. In the previous step, we instantiated our PDF class and we instantiated also and initialized a new LLM model. Let's move on to step number 3 and let's see what's happening here. This is pretty much the same code as step number 2. We have I got rid of some of the comments. The thing that we're adding here in this step is that we're making the init chat model an async function, and that's because we want to use a wait inside this function body. Once we have instantiated our large language model in here and we have stored it in this variable, we can directly access this object and start asking questions. So it's pretty easy to ask questions to this model. So once you instantiate and you initialize the model, you can use the variable that contains a reference to this model, and you can call the invoke method with a string that will in turn send a question to the LLM. It will wait for this response. It's an async operation and we'll get a response. So in step number 3, we're just testing our LLM to see whether we get a response back. So what you want to do at this point is, first of all, Ollama must be running. You'll have Ollama installed and you'll have like Ollama running. As you can see it here, it's already running for me. And then I'm going to say step number 3. It's going to load the model and then get a response back for this question. Now I can change this question and get a different response. You can also, the Llama 3 is pretty powerful, so you can say how to load a file using Node.js. Let's see what response we get back for a more technical question. And we'll get a more like verbose response, as you can see, with some instructions on how to load the file using Node.js. So pretty cool. So that's step number 3. Basically, this is just the test to see that our initialized model is able to send back a response and it's everything is working. So that's from step number 3. In the next step, we will be loading some PDF documents. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.